Environmental management is the ideal major because we provide a very broad foundation for your education in the field of natural resources.
I think this program really straddles the best of the scientific programs here at SUNY Cobleskill and the practical trade programs.
We learn by doing, and we try to get out in the field for any lesson that would be best taught in the field.
The environmental management program, just like the rest of the department, is a very hands-on learning program.
It's about 50-50 sitting in a classroom and then being outside with your peers, with your professors. And that is really cool. It's not something I got in my old school.
It's global in nature, so environmental management is not something that is localized, limited to your specific region.
The market for job opportunities is great. We have students who have moved to all parts of the country, many of them starting out in technician work, in field work.
Government organizations is a very common go-to for many of our students and our internships, and that includes like county soil and water conservation.
Organizations like the Natural Resource Conservation Service, for example, environmental consulting companies that need ecologists, people to do some of the same types of jobs that you see in the federal agencies. All of these agencies are looking for good, well-rounded ecologists that are interested in conserving natural resources.
And it's just a great experience for students to meet other students that are enthusiastic about the natural world, and also to kind of nerd out on the ecological processes behind all this, and to just finally kind of find your niche and your people.
So yes, like the professors are the experts and they're teaching you, but just as often I think your peers are teaching you and you're teaching your peers. People here have so much field experience, and that's been very cool.
We have a wide variety of study abroad options. We have trips that go to South Africa, the Galapagos Islands, Amazonian Basin of Peru, and Panama.
They're camping on beaches overnight and snorkeling and hiking up rainforests, and they just come back so excited about the diversity of our natural world.
I think the environmental management program itself is very all-encompassing. I think it's a great program to be in. I left feeling very confident with knowledge across the board and how to apply that to conservation or preservation of the environment as a whole, which is has been just a wonder to me.
The breadth of classes that we take allows them to adapt in today's world, and this is a great starting point for them.
I've never been around this concentration of super passionate, super educated, super driven professionals who are excited about conservation and climate change. Massive nerds, and it's so fun. And I guess the thing I would say is, if you're on the fence, just come check it out, come talk to some of the people here. The environment here is very collaborative and very exciting.
We live in a world where the human population is growing and the climate is changing. And here at SUNY Cobleskill, we've worked at developing the environmental management program to counteract some of these changes so that we can become good stewards and managers of our environmental resources, not just for the present, but for into the future as well.